No, no more. Sorry.
No, I live here.
No.
My mail comes here. It's
Okay.
my legal
Someone's
address.
gonna make you leave.
You think so? I don't need to leave.
You can record
I
me all
live
you want.
here. I live
no,
here.
No more.
Well, I'm back. Hey guys. Oh, why am I doing that? Anyway, guys, I just want to give you a wee bit of news to say I'm back on YouTube. Bit in a van. It's just like camping though. Look at that. Oh, lovely. So good.
Huh?
Yum. Oh, it's so delicious.
Yeah.
You know, Birdie, it's like, see, after living in your car for so long,
Yep.
being on, you know, homeless.
Hello there, little girl.
I know. So, I need that. So good. Mimi. 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 Got your jacket on. It's in the laundry basket. Oh.
You help carrying me?
Right, okay, so you're going in the truck with Todd.
You'll follow,
Right,
yeah?
I'll follow.
Okay.
Wait to get the trailer. Oh, I guess Kyle's still home, huh? Slinky Linky. So to the bank first. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Another beautiful day here in Los Angeles, and it's the end of car life for me, thankfully. How exciting. Won't be living in my car anymore. No more car life.
Huh?
No more car life. I'm always scared of them.
Yep.
Yep.
Oh, man.
It's not gonna go on. What about if we ran down to Harbour Freight? No.
You got the right guy's wall.
Take it to the
We take it to Highway Patrol, pass inspection.
Right.
They check the brake lights, make sure they work. And that's it. And then they'll give us a SKU number, like a sticker that goes on it. Then we'll take it to DMV.
Does that have a VIN number on it
No,
too?
it doesn't have nothing. It's a new bill.
Oh, right, it's a new bill. It's just right. Awesome, Todd. Thank you, Todd. trees.
This one right here is
What is it?
1 7/8. That's it. You want
Is
to
it?
get this
So
one?
what
19
one?
bucks.
What
This
is
one
it?
right here.
Is that it? Will that fit?
Yep.
Okay, so let's do it. What? That's a sleeve?
Yeah, with the ball on it. 1 7/8. Yeah. That's it.
Got to pick apart. We're looking for some leaf springs for the tiny house. So Chad thinks we can get them off a pickup that can dump down here. Any luck? Well, seem like they're really expensive, but to get them here, I'll be a lot cheaper. I feel so bad to put them away. All the cars just. Is it a Toyota? Oh, it's even got a big winch on it. You know, is this the truck you were talking about for towing? Oh no, really? Towing my trailer with this? It's nice, Mike. No, I'm fine, Michael. I'm gonna be sniffing here. So we have a whole bunch of windows to pick up. We have about 6 windows there. This is brilliant. Today we got a table saw. What else did we get? We just picked up a rug, a big, what was it, 6 by 10 or 8 by 10 shag pile rug from Pottery Barn. And now we got all these windows from a tiny house. I love this. All right, let's go. All right, so this is what they've. See what we've got here. They look like they've been sitting for ages.
Well, yeah, because they're all going to be old windows.
But you know, we could also get Todd to come over.
But you got to see, they're damp. The corner, that one's no good.
This one looks like an old window.
That one's good.
See, we're recycling anyway. I mean, it's helping the planet. Just seeing, so I'm just going to lay one over here. Wait a minute. Watch. That's it's stuck now here. Is it in? Okay, so this. What one? You take this one first. today is it's June, is it June? Yeah, it's June the 27th. Anyway, so having to deal with Chad. It's like 9:30 and I just checked my text messages, and earlier I let him know I was going up to Altadena. You know, I had to see a friend before they went. Oh, they're leaving on vacation for a couple of weeks, so it was important that I went up there, and he knew that. And I just, honestly, I'm so done with people. His passive aggressive behavior is absolutely ridiculous. He leaves a text saying, I'm moving all your stuff out onto the porch. I'm not responsible for your belongings. Because I said I was going up to Altadena. When I told him earlier I was probably going up to Altadena without going back home first. Even if I could call it home. It's been an absolute fucking nightmare living there. And especially dealing with Chad. You know, passive aggressive behavior is, oh, it's just so bad, because I know for a fact he hasn't moved my stuff out onto the porch. It's his control problems, issues, you know. This morning, just talking to him, you know, he just like flipped out. He didn't flip out. Well, kind of flipped out, but 1 minute we're just like, you know, getting on great, you know? 20 minutes later, he's like a different person. He's just unfucking real. I am fed up of this. Just, oh my God. So glad Trigger's not there. Let's see what happens. Oh, what a day, huh?
Oh, what remind me?
Our house is nuts. Where we live. Honest.
It's a funky town.
I'd say everybody but the dogs are on drugs. But the dogs are on drugs.
Not Cardi, don't judge her like that.
Have you seen? Yeah, you've seen.
Oh, sometimes she is though. Sometimes she has a bender.
I know.
Every now and then.
Well, that was good. Oh, good idea. He's killed a spot for dinner
It
too.
was like perfect size. Not too big, but not too small.
I'm exhausted after all that cleaning I've been doing today.
It was great after all the stressing I was doing today.
Yeah, I know. And that too. I know Chad's always just... I can't do anything, but he was okay to get Todd to take him to the store.
So he could cook for just him and Todd.
Really?
That's probably what he would have done. You know, he's petty.
Yeah, he does.
Petty wop. Yeah. Petty wop.
All I know is text. Oh, I told you about his text said he doesn't trust me anymore. Right.
He doesn't trust himself.
He's fucked up. Oh, it's dry as a bone, isn't it? Oh, my teeth now.
Oh my God. I'm still gonna eat it.
The Coke's not bad there. It tastes like real Coke. It's a real thing. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola. No soft drinks. Oh wait, that would be in cocaine. So,
Cocaine. Well, I wonder if Michelle's going to be there when we get back.
Probably.
It's going to be fucking chaos at the house. I just don't know what to expect there.
there's gonna be a bomb going on when we get there.
Oh God, I just don't want that to
Could you
happen.
imagine? If she's there when I get back, I'm gonna be really mad.
like, what would be the point, huh?
Oh, then
We
you're
would
just
sit
gonna have
there
to hang out in my
going-
room.
Yeah, I know, it's fucked up.
Well, we're going to CarMax. Bye.
Bye. Touching my stuff.
You're not gonna fight it. It's gonna be just like this.
Oh, so it's
You
okay.
need to leave.
No, I'm not leaving.
You're fucking just
I'm
like
not
that
leaving.
fucking dude said on
I'm
the
not
fucking.
leaving.
You are leaving.
I'm not leaving.
Yeah, you are.
I'm not leaving.
What?
I live here.
You're leaving.
But it's okay for
You
me.
are fucking rendered. How does that sound for you?
Oh, yeah,
Uh-huh.
right.
Yeah.
You're messed up, Chad. You need
Yeah,
help.
I am messed
I
up.
mean, look what you're posting on the door and stuff.
Yeah, so what?
You need help.
I don't need no help. You're
Yes,
gonna
you
need
do.
some help.
You need some.
You're gonna need
serious-
some help.
No, you do need some help.
You're not gonna
Chad.
pull this shit here, dude.
So here I am, back living in my car. You know, some of my stuff is left at the house there. Exhausted. Mentally, physically, emotionally drained. And so fucked up. Really messed up. So, got a trailer there. This big trailer is almost finished. You know, I've got all the new tires for it, wheels and everything. And I guess Chad's just got a few things to do to the trailer, but trying to get it done is something else. So, and then where am I going to put it? Because I need to either sell this trailer, you know, sell it. It's fucked up. I'm gonna figure it out. Just so messed up. So tired. Just tired of all this bullshit from him. Don't know where to go now. Like I said, I'm back living in my car. Guess I could go up to Jerry's. Haven't had a shower in days. Been sweating, cleaning my car. I was going to take a shower and then fucking he starts on me. So messed up. Fucking hell. Fed up. Need to find some place to put my trailer. I've got all the boards, some stuff there, my tools. All my tools. My trailer. I was building a tiny house, and as you saw, I bought a used trailer. You know, I think it was offer up for $250. However, it was all the steel beams, you know, to extend the actual base of the trailer. I was then going to extend it to 8 foot wide by, I think it was 8 foot wide by 20 foot long. And it was also going to be about 13 foot high. Yeah. However, when Chad attacked me that night and was telling me to leave, you know, I mean, I there's no way. I'd rather be living in my car than be, you know, attacked, and you know. So anyway, I left that night, or the next night, because I stayed down in Kyle's bedroom, well, in the garage with him. And the reason Chad got mad like that is because I was talking to his nephew, spending time with Kyle, and spending time with his brother Todd. Just hanging out with them, just talking to them. Chad hated me talking to anybody. As you saw, he was really possessive of me. And yeah, he showed that quite a lot. I mean, like you saw, I couldn't even go and visit people, you know. And even if I did want to stay in my car, he used to go mental at me about that. Anyway, it's all over with. You know, I'm done with him. Been done with that for quite a while, but this whole thing has caused a lot of anxiety, stress. I've got no money. Really broke. I mean, I've nothing, guys. I've no crypto or anything now. I'm done. I mean, I probably would have to sue her, his mother, because it was his mother that actually, you know, took it upon herself to get rid of my trailer. I mean, Chad could have called me that day, but he didn't, because I would have got the police over, because I do have a police report, because of them just throwing me out of the house. I mean, that was my address. I lived there. My mail came there. Just awful. Just awful. You know, you don't treat people like that. It's just ugly, you know. Who the hell does he think he is? And his mother too. So the cops had went to Chad and seemingly told them not to mess with my trailer, because I explained to them, you know, that it still needed some work done to it in order for me to get it off their property. I mean, I couldn't move it. I mean, you saw how it's just lying there all in bits. Yeah, that's how. Should have seen the way he treated my tools, you know, my power tools that I just bought. He would just be throwing them down, and then they're on the lawn. When the sprinklers come on, they just get soaked and they're all rusty, you know. So anyway, guys, you know, it's like his mother just gave it away. I don't know who to. I mean, that's what Chad said. I think it was the gardeners that probably snatched that thing up. And all my tools, my solar generator, everything, my Delta EcoFlow, everything gone. I mean, that's about over $3,000 worth of stuff just gone. And of course, you know, I've no money now. So, got to start working my ass off on YouTube. And also I'm, you know, doing my Go Puff. I'm signing up with Lyft again. I've been doing cleaning, you know. So, and thank God I've had Hop Skip Drive. You know, a lot of people were using my code, God bless them. And I was getting like paid from Hop Skip Drive, you know, passive income off my videos. You know, it must have been on the Rideshare guys channel. Been doing really well. Or maybe on my channel, I don't know. But it's been doing well. I've been, you know, helping me out with that stuff. I still want to build a tiny house, you know, maybe a small trailer for Slinky Linky. I'm so blessed to have Slinky Linky. This car has been amazing, you know, over Christmas and that, because I was staying at my friend Maria's when I left Chad's, staying in my car. Then I went to Maria's downtown in Echo Park, you know. I was staying down there. Then Thanksgiving I left her place, and then just living in my car, you know, and up until a couple of days ago when I went down to Aussie's Grands for a few days. I'm down there right now with Aussie, down in Beaumont. So, just awful. So guys, well, I'm going to link my Cash App and my PayPal and my Zelle, and maybe Bitcoin and Ethereum and Litecoin, Monero and everything else I can think of, any other crypto. You know, that, I don't know, but I hate asking for money. I hate asking for help, you know? I really do. So embarrassed. I've no money though. And I'm just trying to get as much work as I possibly can. I mean, coming up for Valentine's Day, I'm doing flower deliveries and for edible arrangements. I can't sleep properly. I mean, I'm really stressed out. It's really affecting me. And I miss Ruger. I don't want to talk about him because I'm going to start crying. But anyway, guys, I'm going to leave it here. I want to get this video posted. I've been trying to get this posted for ages. So anyway, I love you all, okay? Take care. Mwah. Bye.